This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Kia Sorento back seats. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the ignition is off for safety. Next, gather your tools, including a socket wrench set, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have enough room to maneuver the seats without causing damage. Always wear safety gloves to protect your hands from any potential scrapes or cuts. Now, let's detach the seat components. Begin by locating the 4 bolts at the rear of the seat bases and remove them using your socket wrench. Next, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, which typically power seat heaters or sensors, usually found underneath the seat. Don't forget to unclip any seatbelt sensor connectors and ensure all seatbelts are completely clear before proceeding. With the rear bolts and electrical connections handled, move to the front. Remove the 4 bolts at the front of the seat bases. These are often hidden by small plastic flaps that you might need a screwdriver to open. After all bolts are removed, slide the seat forward to ensure full access. Due to their weight, it's best to have a partner help you lift the seat assembly straight up and out of the vehicle. Store them carefully to avoid damage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse the removal steps. Ensure all mounting bolts are securely tightened to their specified torque, typically between 32.5 and 43.4 pound-feet. Reconnect all electrical connectors and properly secure the seat belts, checking their functionality. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after a project, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Finally, perform a thorough safety check to confirm everything is securely fastened and operating smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.